Okay, so you and your friend decide to get your cars inspected, and there's a 70% chance of cars passing inspection. And then this is important. If the event of your car's passing is independent of your friend's car, that means we get to use this formula. The probability of two events, call them A and B. So A is the event of our car passing, and B is the event of our friend's car passing. Then the probability of the first event times the probability of the second event is equal to the probability of both of them happening. In other words, the probability that both of our cars pass is equal to the probability of our car passing times the probability of their car passing. That only holds if they're independent. A lot of things in life aren't independent. The probability that your soccer game gets canceled and the probability that it's thunder and lightning outside. Those are two different events, but one event impacts the other. They're non-independent because one depends on the other. In this case, they're both independent, so that means we can use this formula. So the probability that your car passes inspection, that's just 0.7. It just says 70% of cars pass inspection. So for one particular car, for our car, it's a 70% chance. The probability that your car doesn't pass inspection, that's 0.3. And the reasoning for that is because if there's a 70% chance that you pass, there's only one other possibility. You don't pass. There's a 30% chance that you don't pass. And the probability that both cars pass inspection, we need this formula. The probability that we pass inspection is 0.7. The probability that they pass inspection is 0.7. And so when you multiply those together, you get 0.49. So that's the probability. Just one quick last note, depending on how much you've done with probability before. Just remember, for all answers with probability, they have to be between 0 and 1 inclusive. So you could have a probability of 0, you could have a probability of 1. But you should never enter like 1.2 or something like that, or 27. I think students sometimes enter the decimal form of their answers. The percentage form, I should say. But it's always, a probability is always between 0 and 1 inclusive.